Welcome to Master Oil Painting, home to the world's finest art training. We are an online community of artists from over 100 different countries throughout the world. Before you get going, I'll give you a quick tour of our website so that you can make the best of your time here with us. I'll give an introduction to our premium training lessons and courses, show you where to find our extensive collection of free art training, and take a minute to show off the Masters blog that we've worked hard to build over the last couple of years. Here we are on the homepage. If you have ever purchased any training with us, the easiest way to access it is through the Training Hub. This is where you can find the membership, which is home to dozens of full-length art lessons. The lessons range from 1 to 8 hours each and show every brushstroke of a gallery-ready painting from start to finish. You can take all of the lessons at your own pace. You can pause or jump forward anytime there's a section you've already seen, just like in this lesson with Bill Inman showing the ocean side. You can also jump backward if you missed a piece, just like this one with Joanna Arnett painting lilacs. The membership also gives beginners training lessons, monthly critique webinars, and an impressive member-built reference image library. All of these images are submitted by members for members and can be used personally or commercially, completely royalty-free. The Training Hub is also where you can get to the 6-week course. You'll notice the 6-week course and membership both have access to the reference image library and private Facebook group. The course outlines the basic supplies, techniques, and principles of good oil painting. It's available both streaming and on DVD. Individual training videos in the Plein Air course can also be found within the Training Hub. If you haven't purchased any training but would like to learn more about our courses and lessons, then take a minute to check out our art training store, where you can learn about everything available at Master Oil Painting. Let's talk about our free art lessons now. Whether you're a longtime student or joining us for the first time today, we welcome you to explore our extensive collection of free art training. These lessons are enjoyed by thousands of artists every week. And even if you've been here before, it's worth checking out again, because new training is being added all the time. And don't forget to spend time reading through the Masters blog and find out why we've been ranked in the top 3 oil painting blogs in the world. Enjoy topics like art instruction, interviews with world-renowned artists, and reviews of popular art supplies and tools. We post new content every week, so you'll never run out of good posts to read through. We also recommend joining our email list so that you can be the first to know when posts are published or new training is made available. We never spam or share your email address with anyone, and our weekly emails rock. Our team at Master Oil Painting loves being part of such an incredible community of artists, and we're happy that you've decided to join us.